Ever wondered what lurks within your store-bought toothpaste? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Many of these conventional toothpastes are packed with ingredients straight out of a chemistry lab. While they promise a sparkling smile, there may be hidden drawbacks to consider. After all, oral health isn't just about dazzling teeth, it's about holistic well-being. But fear not, there's a natural alternative waiting to be explored. The good news? You can whip up your own do-it-yourself herbal toothpaste and mouthwash right at home. Crafting your own herbal toothpaste is simpler than you might imagine. Let's dig into the process, shall we? First, gather your ingredients. Think organic coconut oil, baking soda, sea salt, and essential oils like peppermint or spearmint, with a touch of stevia for sweetness. Each component plays a vital role in promoting oral health. Organic coconut oil boasts antimicrobial properties, combating harmful bacteria in your mouth. Meanwhile, baking soda gently scrubs away plaque and stains, leaving your pearly whites gleaming. Sea salt serves as a natural disinfectant, while essential oils offer a refreshing zing and invigorating aroma. And stevia? It's your natural sweetener of choice, ensuring do-it-yourself toothpaste is as palatable as it is effective. Simply blend these ingredients until you achieve a paste-like consistency. Easy, right? Voila! Your homemade herbal toothpaste is ready to elevate your oral care routine. Now, onto crafting your very own mouthwash. This one's a breeze too. You'll only need a handful of ingredients: purified water, aloe vera juice, witch hazel, and your preferred essential oils, such as peppermint or tea tree. Let's begin with purified water, the backbone of our mouthwash. Acting as both solvent and purifier, it ensures your concoction remains free of impurities. Next up, aloe vera juice, famed for its soothing properties that support gum health. Then there's witch hazel, a natural astringent that tightens gums and fights bacteria, earning its spot as a must-have in our herbal mouthwash. Lastly but not least, essential oils. Peppermint delivers that crisp, clean sensation, while tea tree oil packs a punch with its antibacterial prowess. Mix these powerhouse ingredients, store them in a glass container, and presto, your homemade herbal mouthwash is ready to revolutionize your oral hygiene routine. With the power to transform your oral health resting firmly in your hands, why not embark on a journey into the captivating realm of do-it-yourself? Crafting your own herbal toothpaste and mouthwash offers a multitude of benefits, from full transparency about what goes into your oral care products to the sheer satisfaction of creating something tailored to your health needs. These natural ingredients have stood the test of time, promising a clean and refreshing oral hygiene experience like no other. So go ahead, give it a try. Your teeth and gums will thank you for it.